Good evening, my all dear and lovely student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Neha Tiwari Study Motivation. Myself, Neha Tiwari, and today our topic is muscular system. In the series of the important terminology related to human body, so today I will discuss about what is the mean of muscular system. Okay, student. As you know, every student, the human body is mainly made up of two special types of components, muscular systems and skeletal systems. In the point of the skeletal system, I have already discussion on this point, how form the skeletal system and how many bones are responsible for the completing formation of the human body and skeletal system. Okay, student, so especially today I will discuss about what is muscular system. As you know, student, what is the mean of muscular system? Muscular system consists from muscles. Muscular systems consist from muscles, and these muscular system have been divided into mainly three parts on the basis of the location and position in your body. Okay, student, what I am saying you? I am saying you, student, the muscular systems have been divided into mainly three parts. On the basis of the location and position in your body, the muscular system have been divided into mainly three parts. First is called skeletal muscles, second is called visceral muscles, and third is called cardiac muscles. Okay, student, so this classification of the muscular systems on the basis of the location and position in your body. So firstly, I am telling about what is the mean of skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles, that type of muscles which are directly attached with the bone, because the skeletal terms is referred of the bones related terms. So what is the mean of the skeletal muscles? That type of muscles which are directly attached to skeletal systems, that means which are directly attached with the bones, that is called skeletal muscles. Okay, student, I hope are you getting my point? And skeletal muscles is also known as voluntary muscles. Skeletal muscles is also known as voluntary muscles. What is reason the skeletal muscles is also known as voluntary muscles? Because the skeletal muscles, that type of muscles which are controlled by itself, this is responsible for the skeletal muscles is also known as voluntary muscles. Okay, student, so voluntary muscles, that muscles which are controlled by itself. What is the mean of voluntary muscles? It is a very simple answers. That type of muscles which are controlled by itself, which are any activity performs but controlled by itself. Okay, student, for example, hand muscles, leg muscles, and neck muscles. These type of muscles which are directly attached with your bone, and this type of muscles are also controlled by itself. Okay, student, and the next term of the visceral muscles. Visceral muscles, where the term use of the visceral, that means directly related with the internal organs. I have already discussed at this point again and again, where the use of the term of the visceral, that means it is related from the internal organs. And what is the internal organs? That type of muscles which are present inside in our human body organs. I hope are you getting my point, student, what I am saying you. Okay, so next, which type of muscles? Visceral muscles, that type of muscles which are present internal organs, that is called visceral organs of human body. Okay, student, for example, stomach, liver, kidney, intestine, and lungs. It is a part of the visceral muscles, because a lot of visceral organs which are present inner side of the human body, that is also known as internal organs. So internal organs have already present of the muscles. So that type of muscles which are present inner side of the internal organs of the human body organs, that is called visceral muscles. Okay, student, and what is the example of the visceral muscles? Stomach muscles, visceral muscles. Liver heavy muscles, that is called visceral muscles. Kidney heavy muscles, that is called visceral muscles. Intestine and lungs, these entire organs present inner side of the human body organs, where is present of the muscles, that is called visceral muscles. Okay, student, and the next muscles is called cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles, the where the use of the cardiac term that is responsible for the representation of the only heart. I hope are you getting my point, student? Yes or no? Please comment it. Okay. So the third type of muscles that is called cardiac muscles. The heart muscles is also called cardiac muscle. That normally answers. What is the cardiac muscles? The heart muscles is called cardiac muscles. What is visceral muscles? Visceral, that means related to internal organs. What is internal organs? The organs which are present inner side of the human body organs, that is called internal organs. And that type of muscles which are present inner side of the human body organs, that is called visceral muscles. What is the example of the visceral muscles? Stomach, intestine, liver, kidney and esophagus. It is a part of the visceral muscles. Okay, student? And it is the first classification of the muscles which are present in human body, and the second classification of the muscles on the basis of the appearance. Okay, student? So on the basis of the appearance, muscles have been divided into mainly two parts. First is called striated muscles and second is called smooth muscles. First is called striated muscles and second is called smooth muscles. Striated muscles, rough surface area. Striated muscles, that type of muscles, these surface area is roughed, where the rough surface area are the present in the surface area of the muscles, that is called striated muscles. Okay, student? So these are the responsible for the indicate of the if the roughest surface area of the muscles, that is called striated muscles. What is the example of the striated muscles? Skeletal muscles and cardiac muscles. Very most important, student, this point. So note it down in your copy. The skeletal muscles and cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles and skeletal muscles. It is a part of the striated muscles. And smooth muscles, smooth surface area. If the surface area of the muscles are smooth, that is responsible for the knowing about the smooth muscles. What is the example of the smooth muscles? Visceral muscles. Visceral muscles is also known as smooth muscles. I hope are you getting my all points, students, because this entire points is very most important and responsible for the good understanding in your biology syllabus. Okay, student? So don't skip of this point. Firstly, you note it down of the flow chart. If any problem in anywhere, any points, so please comment it and I will repeat again. Okay, and other lectures. So firstly, every student, please, I need your support a lot. I need of your a lot of support. Please, my educational channels, Neha Tiwari Study Motivation, share with an other student, and please keep it of my motivation. So please subscribe of the my channels and share of the and other students and like and comments also. Okay, student. So I hope today's point is very most important and everybody are you understand to clearly way. Okay, student? If any problem in any point on this lecture, so please comment it. Okay, student? So I think quickly revision. I think I need of the quickly revision with you. So started. Firstly, what is muscles? What is muscular systems? What is muscular systems? As you know, human body is mainly made up of two types of system: muscular system and skeletal system. Skeletal system consists from bones. Muscular system consists from muscles. Muscular systems have it divided into mainly three parts on the basis of the location and position in your body. First is called skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles, what is skeletal muscles? That type of muscles which are directly attached with the bones, that is called skeletal muscles. In the example of the skeletal muscles, hand muscles, legs muscles, neck muscles also in the include of the skeletal muscles. And the second type of muscles, visceral muscles, that type of muscles which are present inner side of the human body organs, that is called visceral muscles. Example of the kidney, stomach, liver, intestine, esophagus, etc. And the third muscles is cardiac muscles. The heart muscles is also known as cardiac muscles, and where the term of used of the cardiac, that means related from the heart. Okay, student, I hope are you getting my point. And the second division of the muscles on the basis of the appearance. On the basis of the appearance, muscles have been divided into mainly further two parts. First is called striated muscles and second is called smooth muscles. What is the meaning of striated muscles? If the surface area present on the surface area of the muscles, that is called striated muscles. The skeletal muscles and the cardiac muscles, it is the type of striated muscles because this surface area is roughish. Okay, and the second type of muscles, that is called smooth muscles. If the surface area is smooth, that is called smooth muscles. Only one example of the smooth muscles, visceral muscles. It is all about of the muscular system. Okay, student. So thanks all of you for watching my these educational videos and supporting me a lot of time, student. And please subscribe of the my channels, share of the my educational channels with and other students. Okay, and thanks all of you.